Hello everyone and welcome to this Ortoplus video tutorial. In this step-by-step guide, we will show you how to correctly install and activate the Power Expander, an exclusive Ortoplus device designed to achieve precise and effective expansion. Please note that this procedure is also applicable to our Super Hybrid device. The Power Expander is designed with two main support components, two motor bands or supports, which can also be used as anchorage if desired, an anterior resin support placed over the front teeth. These structures serve a key function. They act as an insertion guide, ensuring the device is placed in the correct position. Once the proper fit of the device is confirmed, we position it in the mouth by resting it on the motor bands and the anterior resin block. This ensures initial stability before inserting the mini screws. Now we move on to the insertion of the mini screws. We will use a micromotor with a maximum torque of 25-30 newtons. In this case, we'll demonstrate the process using a manual driver, which is also perfectly valid and provides excellent control. The integrated guide within the device design indicates the exact direction for screw insertion. The mini screws are inserted in a cross-wide pattern, starting with one of the anterior left or right, then the opposite posterior, and so on until all four anchorage points are secured. Once the four mini screws are correctly inserted, we proceed to cut the anterior resin support and, if desired, also the molar supports. The molar bands can remain in place if we wish to use them for another treatment. To activate the device, we use the included wrench. Insert it into the expansion screw and turn it into the direction indicated by the arrows engraved on the hexagonal head. Each activation corresponds to moving from one face of the hexagon to the next. Every 6 activations, a full turn, results in 1 mm of expansion. It is essential to clinically monitor the progress of the treatment and to perform activations according to the planned protocol. Patient cooperation and proper follow-up are key to achieving the desired outcomes. That concludes our guide of the installation and activation of the Power Expander. If you have any clinical or technical questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. We'll be happy to help. Thank you for choosing Ortoplus.